The second day of Insight also coincided with the PTI meeting, the parents-teachers interaction. Paloti put in their best foot forward today. Each department was decorated and parents accompanied their students and interacted with the teachers.
Faculty members are very, very generous to spare their time for the parents. Very, and they were very informative about each child.
फैकल्टीज ऑलमोस्ट बढ़िया है, आप लोगों ने अच्छी तरह से किया हुआ है सब कुछ.
Good day one and all. As we are speaking, we have just concluded with the alumni meet. We at Paloti are one big family.
I would now request Father George to install the office bearers with badges.
Solemnly affirm that I shall abide by the guidelines and regulations of the Alumni Association of St. Vincent Paloti College of Engineering and Technology.
We call back our alumni who are working all over India and are carrying forward the Paloti brand.
The college has improved a lot. Okay.
In which way, sir?
In which infrastructure, facilities, and you can say the staff, the quality of laboratories.
What made you choose Paloti? Because you were the first admission, what I heard of.
Yeah, actually the time when I took admission, there were very few colleges that were very well known in Nagpur for engineering. And when I came to know that this was a missionary college, I felt that it would be something different, apart from the clutter. So I felt that this would be the right place to go.
I would like to say that the discipline and the punctuality has really helped us because currently wherever we are working, we have still maintained those qualities, and it has really helped us to distinguish us amongst the rest of the others.
Without taking much of your time, we go live to the event.
I'm very happy that over the years, TechNext have become a national level festival, creating supreme aura of science and technology at the campus.
On this pleasant and colorful evening of Insight 2016, it is my privilege to introduce the first teacher of our university, Dr. Siddhartha Vinayak Kane, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University.
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मेरे पास तो सारा कुछ है, इंटरव्यू में मैं गया, मेरे पास क्वालिफिकेशन है, मेरे पास डिग्री है, मेरे पास नॉलेज है, इंटरव्यू बहुत बड़ा हो गया, अच्छा हो गया, आई कुड इम्प्रेस दी इंटरव्यू टीम, लेकिन मेरा सिलेक्शन ही नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? किसी दूसरे का हुआ, उसके पास भी वही सारी चीज़ें हैं, वो मेरे पास भी वही चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन मेरे पास आई डिड नॉट गेट सक्सेस. Somebody else has got success. It is because the destiny of that particular fellow must be better than your destiny. So Daiva is one of the most important factors.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नरम छांव में गुजरने पाती तो शादाब हो भी सकती थी. ये रंजो गम की स्याही जो दिल पे छाई है तेरी नजर की शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी, मगर ये हो न सका, और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं. गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है
Time of year again. We students wait for one long year. Before the music gets any louder, this is Joseph Matthew signing off from Inside 2K16. Until next time, so long everybody.